Oh, what is on this? Usually they either miserably fail or go pretty well. Here's an old iPod. I think it's a 2. I'm not quite sure. This is an old one. And we don't know what works on that. According to her, it doesn't work. So I gotta find a cord for it in this drawer somewhere. And there it is right there. I know it's not on a 4 if it's not enough of a camera on it. So it's a 4 or 3 or about, I think it's a 2. The model number shows, I don't know if I'm reading it wrong, 3, but it shows it's a 32 gig, it's 64 gig. I can do it on the modern rate. I figured it out from here. I think it's A138, I'm not quite sure. Looks like it's too dark, maybe flash the light into it. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it does. I just didn't have a charger for it, so she couldn't test it. There's the old 30 pin. Okay, I do have an iPod 4, so I had a charger for it. I got this thing back out. Good, and put it down. Here. Pull out my lightning cable from my USB, and we'll see what it does when I hook up the charger. Oh. Shit. Yeah, she mentioned it had a weight strain. She might have been right. Fuck. Smoke a gray one though. Really, though, the power button is over here. Over right. See my other iPod is. I have to build the camera on this one. It's on there. It's dead. It's been gone for a while. So, I'll let it sit, but I don't think it's gonna come on. Fuck. I didn't catch it, but it made a sound of it. Alright, we just boot it up. You know, react right. I'll try to power it home track first. See that I'll do it or not. Good, does it wake it up? One buttons. Do this reset. Okay. So now. Okay, good. You didn't take the first one. That's outside the thing. I don't know what that's doing now. Let's try to get a hard reset. It didn't cooperate very well. Should I do next? I'm not using the tripod first. I looked at a video where the guy said the one buttons fuck it up sometimes because they're not designed right. See what I can do. This is all here, right? Let's try to put one button in and see if it touches or not. Alright. Let's sit here a minute. I don't get that sound. It's even brighter. Okay. Oh, shit. No. Go ahead and use the other button. Push in. This is a horror problem. Nope. It's not gonna work. I'll be funny though. It's not gonna work. Shit. So I have to go light into BGs and I got to try to picture it with. Or light into BGA. 30 pin BGA rather. I'm gonna get one. This thing holds. Like version iOS shit it has. It's not gonna work. Even blood there is not. It's annoying and weird. Not waste of time. I'll keep looking for more ideas. I'll pick it with. See the shit that did my iPhone 5 when it came out. See if it's still alive or not. Put it in my pocket. Here's my school bag. I had these special orders I put in my bag. Right around here. Just two bags. Last day of school was 4 days ago, the teacher was putting shit out. My teacher gave me 2 of those. I did, I plugged it to try earbuds into the phone and hit play. See if it played or not. So let's do this, see what happens, shall we? I'll be right here, you won't, because it's copyright probably. Don't hear anything. Yeah, I don't hear anything. It's getting dark on its own. Or it's actually. Oh, I can't see it. It don't help. No, it's getting dark on its own, I think. Let's see. It's not. It might be as if I could on it. Alright, let's get into the damn thing. Maybe a hardware issue. I'm gonna guess. Let me back up and just work maybe. See what kind of stuff it has on it. I wonder if my sister wants to know what's on here or not, just out of curiosity, I mean. I don't want to erase it, but not be able to tell what was on it. If you want to know. But I can't get it to work, so it don't really matter at this point. Alright. Oh, that has no hope. So we're gonna do something a little bit odd on this channel. I'm gonna bust out. Now, I'll try to do one for a second. I don't think this is gonna work though. I'm gonna use this one for it. So this is the old device. iTunes may not even accept it anymore. I just think I get a iPhone 2G, the original one. And iTunes won't accept it, let her activate it. So no, she hasn't supposed to be about it yet. Because she has an Apple Store though, so see if they can figure it out. So you guys on MacBook Pro, if not, we'll put up the PowerBooks in here. And we'll hook you up to that instead. Let's just see what it says about it, shall we? But I'm plugging your phone full of battery doesn't get it down on us. We'll get up to it. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, great. God damn it. How did you get on there? Alright, so. It may have nothing on here, actually. What touch? Yes. It's been erased. So it's been erased. So, alright. What is this thing? This iPod's really not. So my guess is somebody erased it trying to fix it, and now it won't cooperate. So we're starting again, why not? Do anything on it beforehand and point and backing up. But this recognize at least. Shit, I gotta fuck it. Oh, man. Okay, edit this shit now. How did I even get on there? God damn it. I'm probably putting the software down there now. I don't think this is gonna work, but oh well. I'm back, I guess. Alright. He went to the screen, but I'm assuming get nothing. Yeah. That's what I thought I'm gonna get. Is it? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go it's somewhere, I guess. Start the sync. Yeah. So, what to try next? We're googling, I guess. I'll be back. I don't really want this thing apart. So I don't have suggestions to hold down the volume up, power, and home buttons, so I guess try it, right? Yeah. No. Okay, no. They can probably have bad stream. And bad at it tested me. At baseball, they caught 2 L's. Damn. Oh well. You'll have that. I think that was like, what's this? Wasn't big up yet, but now it is. Maybe unlock that rotor. Oh boy. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. This is still working. I'll get back in action actually. Up here. So I just use the iPod 3 ones. Let's see what that is. 3, comma 1. What is that? Tell me, what the fuck? Well, let's go to TechSavvvvy. I mean, I guess I'll show this to you guys. It'll work. You know, it's an iPod. We're guessing 3 will. 3 was on the iPod 3, but it says iPod 2, so we go 3 first. iPod 3.1. So this is 3rd gen iPod, not 2nd gen. Okay then. Damn it. Let's go with this newer though. iPod 3 ways screen. See that held in. Find anything for it. So let's see, what do we have here? Let me look at this. Or something like that. For a box. There's that for 19. It won't work though. Fuck. I don't get worthless. I don't know what thing to do, but well, I'm black. That's funny. Use what on black display. There's a black display, it's white. That's funny. Yeah. This screen's probably fucked in it. Damn it. iPod 3. Screen. Which is can't fucking get him. Shit. Can't work, but these are crap. Originally, I'm sure it is. Fuck. That sucks. Maybe a bit more, but I don't really think it's gonna work. Damn it. So unplug it. Yeah, it's dead, I think. You know, it's alive somewhat, because I can sound shit, but I can't do anything else. So, fuck. So I have to, replace that at some point. I'm gonna get some more things though. I'll get back on the other shit too first, so. It's been a priority because it's just old. I think I'll do it at some point, but for a while, I probably won't be fixing it. So you guys enjoyed the little video for now. And yeah, you guys take it easy.